Brigadier General retired Mark Charles Chiwenga, a senior ZANU-PF national officer and one of the military figures associated with the November 2017 coup that removed former President Robert Mugabe, as he died. Zarapeta mashoko mashoti illness arungopinda panguva ino chunukwa kunze. Another VP Chiwenga's 2017 ally, Brigadier General Chiwenga, dies. Timna mnauzere mobile kwa mchinzi. Brigadier retired Chiwenga passed away on December 11, 2025 at his home after a battle with lung cancer. He was 68. He retired from the Zimbabwe National Army on April 10, 2022, several years after the military-assisted transition that elevated then Vice President Emmerson Mnangagwa to the presidency. With the strong backing from the armed forces led by General, now Vice President Chiwenga, the government has declared Chiwenga a national hero, with the announcement made by ZANU-PF Politburo member and CIO Minister Love Matuke in court. President Mnangagwa, who is the first secretary of the party, has conferred national hero status on Brigadier General retired Chiwenga. Matuke said he will be interred at the National Heroes Acre on a date to be advised. The president considered the role played by Brigadier General Chiwenga during and after the liberation struggle, and he has been seen it fit to accord him his highest honor. Chiwenga, whose nom de guerre was Comrade Paddington Chafa Chaura, was born on October 4, 1957 in Mutare District, Manicaland Province, under Chief Marange and headman Kurawone. Over a military career spanning several decades, he received numerous national and campaign honors, including the Liberation Medal and Independence Medal and 10 Years Service Medal, for his contribution to the early development of the Zimbabwe National Army. Chiwenga's death comes amid a noticeable pattern of deaths among senior military and security officials who were influential during and after the 2017 coup, a development that has drawn quite concern within political and security circles. Since the military-assisted transition that ended Mugabe's 37-year-old rule, Zimbabwe has lost several high-ranking commanders, some through illness and others under circumstances that have fueled speculation. Although no official links have been established, among them was former Air Force Commander and Agriculture Minister Air Marshal Terence Shiri, who died in 2020 after allegedly contracting COVID-19, as well as other senior and mid-ranking officers drawn from the Liberation War generation and the post-2017 security architecture. Domashwano mdapangwa inoi pamusoro pekutsakatika kwemageneral. Tudze mafunguro eimoto ndi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.